The Nigerian aunties are in Ethiopia. Just when you thought you'd seen it all, the Nigerian aunties pull up to Ethiopia for a wedding ceremony. Wow. Just wow. I mean, these are the kind of stuff I like to see. Africans coming together, sharing our culture, our tradition, and everything, man. It is what it is. It is nothing short of being beautiful. Trust me. They pull up to Ethiopia with their jewelries, bags, shining, looking good as always. And trust me, they came ready. Well, according to my findings, I think a Nigerian brother got married to an Ethiopian queen. An Ethiopian queen, an Ethiopian princess. So it is what it is. So everybody pull up, I mean the family of the guy, pull up in Ethiopia to support the marriage and everything. So as you can see right here, I think the girl is an Orthodox Christian.
In this episode, we journey to the heart of Africa, where two nations, Nigeria and Ethiopia, celebrate love in ways that reflect centuries of history, tradition, and identity. We begin in Nigeria, a cultural giant in West Africa, where the Atlantic coastline meets the energy of cities like Lagos. It's home to over 250 ethnic groups, including the Yoruba, Igbo, and Hausa. Each carries unique customs, languages, and wedding traditions. To the east, Ethiopia rises, a land of ancient highlands and enduring empires, known as the Roof of Africa. It's a country of deep religious heritage and diverse peoples, including the Amhara, Oromo, Tigrayan, and many more ethnic groups. Here, history is not just remembered, it is lived. Religion shapes the rhythm of life in both countries.